Welcome to Big One Island on pristine Lake of Bays in Muskoka. Today I would like to introduce to you a beautiful property that's just been listed for sale. But before I do that, a few things about the island. This is not traditional island living where it can be challenging to access and live, but rather full service resort style living where staff tend to your every need. Start with your arrival to a gated, secure, dedicated parking area where you're greeted by friendly staff to assist with transferring you and your luggage from your car to a covered ferry that runs constantly back and forth to the island at your convenience. As you board the ferry, the boat driver notifies staff on the other side of your upcoming arrival to the island. Your golf cart will be pulled and brought to the disembarking zone. Just a short 4-minute ride and you have arrived. Big One Island offers you an opportunity to join a world-class private golf course. There's tennis, restaurants, themed dinner events planned throughout the summer, activities such as yoga, a bridge club, and much more for all age groups. There are also services offered such as cottage cleaning, lawn care service, painting, odd jobs, all of this to make your cottage experience more enjoyable. Again, just a short ride on your golf cart through well-maintained trails and you'll arrive at your cottage. The building lot offered for sale is one of the nicest you will ever see. It ticks all boxes. It consists of 1,000 feet of shoreline. There's morning sunrise and evening sunsets. It's adorned with rock and pine and a sand beach. It really is one of the nicest building lots you'll ever find. Look forward to seeing you on the island.